Welcome to ALCOHELLO. My name is Think Twice Mike. I have 4 easy watermelon drinks for you to try, and I can't wait to show you. But first, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for any new content I am producing. These are gonna be your 4 watermelon drinks, all different liquors. Wait till you see them. Here we go, 4 watermelon drinks that are gonna blow your mind. How am I gonna make it watermelon? Well, I'm going to have fresh watermelon juice. Basically what I did was I took a bunch of chunks of watermelon, threw it in a blender, and then strained it with a fine strainer into this here bottle. What you could do is add a little bit of sugar to that, or watermelon pucker, or something that has watermelon flavor to amp up the watermelon flavor. I'm gonna use pure watermelon juice and try to make my cocktails light and refreshing enough to have that stand out in the cocktail. So that way it'll be, more light and refreshing. You don't have to use all that sweetness. Because that's what I think people are looking for these days, you know what I'm saying? Okay, here we go. The very first drink with the watermelon is going to be, wait for it, a margarita. What do you know? Patron is where we're gonna start. So here we go, watermelon margarita. First you'll have to cut yourself a fresh lime. If you don't have one of these handy dandy juicers, then you're gonna want to squeeze fresh lime. So I'm gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. And boom. And then we're gonna go 1/2 ounce of our simple syrup. This is Florida cane sugar, and it's 1-to-1 ratio, very simple. Then I'm gonna go ahead and back that with an 1.5 ounces of my watermelon juice after I spill it all over the place, because that's just what I do here at ALCOHELLO. All right, next things next, we got 2 ounces of our Patron Silva. With the watermelon drink, you're probably gonna want to use a silver tequila, just because, like I said, this watermelon juice is a little delicate, and you kind of want to be able to taste it. And if you're using Reposado or Añejo, they have more flavor, so it'll kind of ruin your watermelon-ness to the drink. Anyway, we'll give this a quick shake. All right, and then you'll go ahead and take your squeezed lime and you'll run it around the rim. I am making this margarita straight up. You can put yours on the rocks at home. And we're just gonna do that in here, this whole Himalayan salt. You see? Wow, very nice, very nice. So we'll take that and we'll strain it right into the cocktail. Like I said, straight up, so it can go straight down. You know what I'm saying? All right, and then we will garnish with a nice little slice of watermelon, since we're using fresh watermelon everything. All right, and there you have it, a watermelon margarita. I'm gonna give it a taste, let you know how it goes. Light, refreshing. You can still taste the watermelon with a hit of Patron. Heck yeah, baby. On to the next drink. All right, all right, all right. Time for your second and third watermelon drink for the day. Here we go. The next watermelon drink, I don't know if you can tell by the mint here, fresh picked from my backyard, by the way. We are going to make a watermelon mojito. So we'll first take a couple juicy scoops of watermelon. Oh yeah. All right, the next drink we're making with watermelon, my good friend watermelon, is this mint mojito, watermelon mojito. And it's always good to start with a fresh 8 to 10 leaves if you really want to. And then we'll go ahead and give this a quick muddle with the mint. Don't shred the mint too much here. This is, you can kind of see the juice happening right there, down there at the bottom there. Nice and good. All right, now we're gonna back that with fresh lime juice. Again, always fresh, 3/4 ounce if possible. Go ahead and use this portion of the jigger here. Oh, look at that, half of a lime, 3/4 ounce. Nice. Then we're gonna back it with 1/2 ounce of simple sugar right in the glass. And then we'll take our nice Havana Club. This is straight from Cuba, my friends. And we are gonna go 2 ounces of a nice rum. Right in the glass, we'll take some fresh cubes and we'll give this a good old shake. And now we're gonna give this a fine strain. So watermelon is very viscous, even though it has a lot of watermelon or water in the watermelon. Watermelon is very viscous, so it's gonna have a lot of pulp-ish stuff to it. So you're gonna want to give this a nice double strain. So I got some crushed ice here, and we got the double strain action for you to enjoy. To the top here, and then I will need this here, a little soda water to top it off, and there you are. So that will do for your watermelon mojito. So when you garnish your watermelon mojito, you always want to give this garnish nice waking up, so that way you can smell the mint on the top when you're going in on the drink. And there you have a nice little watermelon mojito. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and give this cocktail a taste. I got a nice bamboo straw. Make sure you save the turtles, so we'll pop that right down in there. Oh yeah, the Havana Club comes through real big, so does the watermelon. And it's definitely got that mojito texture with the mint. It is a really, really good drink. And there you have it, watermelon mojito. So, onto this little guy, what I actually recommend. A lot of people will do a chilled tequila vodka over watermelon. What I like to do is make an actual cocktail and throw it over the watermelon. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and right in the same glass that I was making my mojito, I'm gonna go ahead and add the 2 ounces of Havana Club. And like I said, you can make any cocktail out of this and throw it over your fresh watermelon. But what I'm gonna do is basically add another 1/2 ounce of your simple sugar and another fresh squeezed lime here. And that will be just like another addition to a mojito, except I'm gonna go ahead and pour it directly over this fresh fruit. And what that will do is infuse that with the rum, lime juice, and simple sugar. And also the mint, because there is still mint in this tin. So that way you have fresh mojito marinating watermelon. Did anyone ever think of that? One final drink, here we go. Okay, last but not least, this one is gonna be called the Cucumber Watermelon Cooler. This one's gonna be made with a London dry gin. I really don't think it doesn't matter what actual liquor you use in this. It's perfect with vodka or gin. I just think the gin is gonna go really well with the cucumber I'm using. So here we go. First, we will drop in a couple pieces of cucumber. And you could probably just give it a quick squeeze. You don't really need to get too fancy with it by the muddling. But just give your cucumber a quick squeeze to kind of just release some of the juice in that. Well, we're also gonna back that with 1.5 ounces of your fresh watermelon juice, and that'll go right into the glass with that. This is kind of like gonna be like a watermelon Collins, cucumber Collins kind of thing. So it's just watermelon cucumber Collins. Or watermelon cucumber cooler, because I've never heard of watermelon Collins. So, fresh lemon juice. Just take half of a lemon, like 3/4 of an ounce if you can. My lime squeezer doesn't really work for these giant lemons. So there, lemon, cucumber, watermelon. Now we're gonna just take 1/2 ounce of simple sugar, just sweeten it up just a little bit, and then we'll take 2 ounces of our London dry gin. And this will dry up and free up the cocktail a little bit. I think these flavors are gonna go really well together because they are very light. I will take time to now try my infused Mojito watermelon ball. Oh my God. Holy. Oh my God, that's really surprising. Babe, you gotta try this. This is really good. Anyway, please try that. If you do any of these, try that. That's really good. Anyway, back to this. Just added 2 ounces of my London dry gin. I'm gonna take some ice here, some fresh ice, and I will go ahead and shake. I like to use this pint glass so you can see what I'm pouring into the glass. Kind of helps, but not necessarily good for my specific shaker. I will go ahead and into the Collins glass here. We will prepare our garnish. So, I'm gonna get really fancy on you. This helps the cucumber come through in the drink. Even though we're talking about watermelon here, but the watermelon's already gonna come through because I use 1 ounce, half of the juice. But basically, you're gonna take a peeler and run it down your cucumber a couple of times to get these nice long strips, and they will really, really look beautiful in this cucumber drink if done correctly. So, I have been making clear ice at home. I will teach you how to do that in a video very shortly. If you follow my channel, stay tuned, subscribe, and you'll find out. So you're gonna go ahead and wrap that around your clear ice and kind of drop it in. Hopefully it'll wrap around and look very pretty and elegant. And I would like to do that again the other way. Let's see if it'll go down in there. And we'll take our wooden straw, our bamboo straw, and kind of push it down in there. So that way it spirals around your single column cube, which is fun to make, and I will show you in a video very shortly. Just subscribe and follow me. I guarantee you that video will be coming the very next video. And I'm gonna teach you how to do it for cheap. You don't have to buy any of these unique products they have out there nowadays. Anyway, you'll take your shaken cocktail now, and you will strain it into your glass very nicely. Do you like that? Does that look pretty? Alright. I was gonna say go ahead and top it up with a little soda water, so I'm going to do that. And then we will take one more slice of this beautiful cucumber. It's actually turning out really, really good looking. Sometimes I shock myself. And then we'll take a skewer and we'll go ahead and just add a beautiful garnish by taking this cucumber and swirling it around this pig. And that'll go right in the top, like so. And then wherever our wooden straw went, bamboo straw down the side. See if we can get that in there. Not disturbing too much. And we will go ahead and give this a taste. Oh my gosh. Light, refreshing. The lemon isn't too much. Doesn't overpower the drink with the watermelon in it. Cucumber's coming through pretty good. This is a good drink. Try this drink too. Try all, but this is really good too. So anyway, that is a cucumber cooler. And there we go. Thank you for watching ALCOHELLO. My name is Think Twice Mike, reminding you not to drink and drive. There are your watermelon drinks. A watermelon mojito, a watermelon margarita, mojito infused watermelon balls, and a cucumber watermelon cooler. What a tongue twister. Thank you for watching ALCOHELLO. Hit that subscribe button and that bell for any new content, and thank you so much for watching.